I'm Elena Brower, International Etiquette Center in Hollywood, Florida. You can find us on the web at etiquettecenter.com. And to continue with office etiquette, let's not forget how we dress. The proper way to dress, depending on the office that you are working. But in this case, I have corporate dressing. A woman wearing a suit, not too short, the proper type of shoes, blouse, not too much makeup, not too much jewelry. We have the gentleman wearing a dark gray suit with a beautiful tie, but conservative to match. Everything is put together very well. This would be a corporate setting, but sometimes you work in an office, or it could be a bit more casual, or on those Fridays when we have the casual Fridays, that's a different story.